Here's today's hot tip, and no, I'm not going to suggest that stock, maybe like one of those celebrity investors you know, but I am going to recommend something that is imperative for you to maximize your wealth creation engine. And before we jump in, I want you to smash that like button and subscribe because I don't want you to miss out on any of these tips.
Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride.
Okay, let's jump in to Norada Real Estate Investments and how you can profit in the current environment. Today I wanted to show you Norada Real Estate Investments. This is an awesome resource for you, especially if you want to get into real estate and experience financial freedom. They're in a number of different markets. They're in about 15, 18 different markets, depending on when you're seeing this, all throughout the country, especially in markets that cash flow well or have good opportunity for appreciation. And depending on when you're seeing this, these markets may change. Norada is an expert. They're all across the country, and they have vetted local providers who are flipping houses and partnering with investors to maximize returns, cash on cash returns, as well as appreciation. And I wanted to just briefly show you some of their properties. So you can go to properties here, and there's a whole listing of different properties for sale. And I wanted to pick out just one. You can see here a lot of different properties for sale. You can see the different types of properties. I want to just focus on this one in Alabama. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, a decent size house. Purchase price just under $125,000. The rent to value ratio is right about that 1%. Depending on how it's rehabbed, how it's rented out, you might be able to get to that 1%. It's in actually a really good neighborhood, so an older house that's in a fairly good neighborhood, and it's doing a decent job of cash flowing. And you can even analyze this, and I'm not going to take the time to go through all of this, but I wanted to show you how a decent opportunity of cash flowing as the years roll on. And when you look at this annualized return, the IRR, 7% return in year 2, and it's increasing all the way up to, call it around 15-16%. I mean, that's really good. That's what you would want to do in the stock market, assuming the stock market could provide that. But in addition, one of the key aspects for you to focus on is there are so many wonderful tax incentives. So you can actually get this 15-16% return over time and potentially pay $0 in taxes when you're working with the right tax strategist. So that's this property here in Alabama, and I wanted to highlight many of the properties that you're going to see on this website have already been reserved by investors. Sometimes they're available, but you really want to connect with them. You can always go to this Contact Us, but they have provided me a link that is the fast track to actually get with their financial counselors, their investment counselors who are helping investors partner with the right properties. So click the link below to get that inside track. And I would encourage you, go to Norada Real Estate Investments and talk with one of their experts, because they're going to help you on your journey, and they want to help you because I want you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.